Mama Nature here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my black cherry cough and cold syrup. This really literally is food for the lungs. And it's full of all kinds of really good herbs, both from the United States and from the rainforest in Central America. So this is a tincture that I've had going for 2 weeks. Actually 2 weeks and one extra day. I should have really done this yesterday. And I just had it in a ball jar in the window. Give it a nice shake every day. And of course, you hold it and you love it and you impart all of your expectations into the mix. Okay, so what did I put in here? I put 3 grams each of thyme, echinacea root, lobelia, and plantain, slippery elm, wild cherry bark, and guaco. Those are all the 3 grams each. Then I put in 7 grams each of mullein leaf, peppermint leaf, elderberries, and some ginger root. Okay, now what I'm going to do first is go ahead and strain that off using a large hole strainer because this is going to catch all of the big pieces. Yeah, all the big gnarly stuff. And I'm going to let this sit like this to drain for several minutes. So I've poured it all out into a coarse strainer and it's still dripping, you can see. So I'm going to let that go for a little while longer. So what is it that I had the herbs sitting in? It was a nice, strong white rum. Now you can use something like that. You can use vodka or you can even use an Everclear. I chose rum for the cough syrup because it has a nicer flavor and in the end, it has to be palatable or you won't take it. So now you see I've drained all of the herbs out of my liquid. And what am I going to do with them now? You're not going to just throw them in the garbage. So what I do is I take it out to my garden. I've got some potatoes here. And I'm just going to share the love. We're going to spread that around. Give it right back to the earth. There we go. I like to keep these old Grolsch bottles with the cork like this on them because these are great for storing medicines. And you definitely want a dark color, either amber, green, blue, but not clear. You don't want the sunlight to get in and damage your end product after all the work you put into it, right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to take the pitcher now and pour that into the Grolsch bottle. And then it's going to go right into my medicine chest with all the rest of the medicines. And strainer, because we want to make sure we catch any last little bit of sediment. Because you remember, we only use the larger hold strainer. So there you go. There wasn't too much that we missed. So I went ahead and I put a real simple label on there, cough and cold. I know what it is. And I'm going to add it to the others here in the cabinet. You can see I've got single herb tinctures along with other combinations that I use, all in those beautiful, well-preserved bottles. The rest of my herbs are all throughout the cabinet here. And now that's going to be all ready for when it's time to make the syrup. Okay, let's make some cough syrup. So I've assembled all the things that we're going to need. You want a good, sterile cup measure. This one holds 4 cups. We probably won't need that much space, but it has a nice tip on it for pouring into the bottles later. We want some black cherry concentrate, raw honey. This is local from my area. I have a lemon, so we don't have to use bottled lemon juice. I got a lemon tree right in the yard. Isn't that nice? We're going to add some colloidal silver and some distilled water. All right, that's it. We got 26, almost 27 ounces of cough syrup here. And the exact ingredients were 8 ounces of the original tincture that we started with, 1 pint of distilled water, 8 ounces of honey, 2 ounces of the black cherry concentrate, 1 ounce of colloidal silver, and then I used the juice of half of my lemon. Now you're ready to go ahead and put it into cute little bottles like I did. And if all that seems like a lot of work to you, that's okay. I get it. It is a lot. It's time consuming. But you can always get mine at blossomspring.com along with all the rest of my natural herbal remedies. Thank you.